Good time zone, global citizens, and welcome to this video guide where I will explain how the Gladly Global Citizens Discord server works. The server is our online community space for anyone interested in studying or discussing languages together in a safe and fun environment. It is free to join in, and you are welcome in as soon as you finish watching this video. First of all, if you're new to Discord, I have some basics to explain to you. Otherwise, just jump to the time displayed to get to know about the server. Discord is a platform where users can not only send messages or call privately other users, but also join servers and interact with a lot of people at the same time. Here on the side of the screen, you can see all the servers I'm in. The white dot next to one of them means that I haven't read messages inside. Instead, a red notification marker like this signals a mention inside the server, but I will explain more about mentions later. Once we click on the server's icon, we are inside the server. You can think about a Discord server like a big online hotel with many floors and rooms. On the left bar here, we can see all the different floors and rooms that the server has. Some of these floors or categories are accessible to everybody. Some others are only accessible to people with specific roles, like admins and other moderators. There are two types of rooms or channels: text channels and voice channels. To open a text channel and have a conversation with other users, simply click on it and it will appear in the middle section of your screen. On top of the screen, you can see the name of the text channel and its description, so you will know what it's used for. When typing messages, remember that you can not only tag specific people with the @ mark to catch their attention, but also you can mention roles, like admin, to catch the attention of all the people in the server who have that role. Other things you can do when typing are sending emotes or GIFs from here. You can also edit your message after you have sent it, or delete it by right-clicking it. The second type of rooms or channels are voice channels. To join a voice channel, simply click on it. If you click again on the voice channel name, you will be able to see the other people in the call and their cameras, if they have them on. You can mute yourself, silence others, show your camera, or share your screen like this. To exit the room, simply end the call like this. The left part of the screen is where you can see all the people who are in the server, who is online, who is not, who is listening to music or playing a game or streaming, or each person's roles by simply clicking on their name. If you want to change your nickname on the server, click on the name of the server up here and then change nickname. You can mute channels by right-clicking them like this. You can also change your status by clicking your picture down here and choose one of the available ones. And why not? Maybe setting up a custom status to let other people know what you're doing. Once you get invited to the server, our little bot 𝕚6 will greet you in the self-introduction text channel. Please introduce yourself here to get access to all the text channels and the study rooms of the server. You should also change your nickname in the server as instructed in Welcome and Rules. But if you are struggling to do that, simply give us all the information needed: your name, native country and preferred pronouns, and an admin will change your nickname for you. The information text channels should only be used specifically as described on top here. Please don't spam unnecessary messages. We have a video guides channel where you can find all the instructions to utilize the Gladly Global services. The Vote content channel, where you can speak up about the kind of content you would like to see from Gladly Global. Announcements and news channels used by us to inform all the users about the latest updates. The media channel, where you can get notified whenever a Gladly Global team member publishes a new video or goes live on another platform. This channel to ask admins anything you don't understand or you're having problems with. And then finally, the bot abuse channel, where you can see your rank in the server by summoning 𝕚6 bot with specific commands explained in the description of the channel. When landing on the server, you will also immediately have access to the text channels. You can use these channels as you please, in accordance with the rules, of course. General chat is where people greet each other and talk about whatever topic. Language questions is for asking specific questions about specific languages. For maximum reachability, don't forget to tag the language you're asking the question about. Tips and Resources is a channel where you can share and ask for tips and resources. No English Chat is for all the people who want to chat in other languages or even mixing languages. Recently, we added 2 new text channels to discuss the more human part of life that may be unrelated to languages. Love and Support is where you can rant or spill your feelings and get support and help from your friends in the server. Wins is where you can share good things that have happened in your personal lives and spread the warmth. Once again, these can be unrelated to language learning, and you can feel safe from judgment in those spaces. Memes is a channel for memes, of course, language learning or study related. We also have a study rooms category where you can join calls with other server users. If you join the quiet study room, please mute yourself and activate your camera if possible. When in the study room, please use the study group chat to communicate with other fellow students. In the language practice area, we chat in specific languages with other people. You can mute the channels you are not interested in by right-clicking on them. Please try to write only in the specific language to make the best of your practice time. If you want to practice your speaking skills, you can head over to the Chatty study room or No English study room with your friends to speak together. Finally, we have a specific category of the server for our exclusive members, where we have accountability meetings every Sunday, and we share resources and insights about language learning. We also have a multi-language book club and the possibility of one-on-one sessions with one of our coaches. Check out our website gladlyglobal.com to know more about our membership services. This concludes our introduction to the Gladly Global Citizens Discord server. If you have additional questions, contact us in Ask Admins on the server or DM us on Instagram at gladlyglobal_. That's it. Enjoy the server and don't forget to be kind to others. Ciao ciao!